Let me ask you something. If your job disappeared tomorrow, how long could you last before money runs out? Most people don't even have 3 months of savings, and yet they still tell themselves they'll start that side business later. But here's the truth: the economy isn't waiting for you. Inflation is up, savings are down, and AI is replacing tasks faster than schools can teach new skills. So, in this video, let's talk about why every entrepreneur, or even anyone with ambition, should start something small right now. Because doing nothing, that's the most dangerous move in today's economy. Now let's just zoom out for a second. In 2020, we saw stimulus checks, free money, booming stock markets. Everyone thought things would stay easy. But by 2025, interest rates are high, groceries are up 25%, and even stable jobs aren't safe anymore. The world's moving fast. Freelancers, small creators, and side hustlers are now the new middle class. People aren't getting rich from one big job. They're surviving through multiple small incomes. That's the shift no one's talking about. The rise of the multi-income entrepreneur. Now let me tell you about two people I know. There's person A, 9 to 5 job, always says they'll start a business when things calm down. Person B, same job, but every night they spend 1 hour learning how to sell digital products. Now let's fast forward a year. Person A's company announces layoffs. Panic, bills pile up. Person B, their side hustle now makes an extra $800 a month. Although it's not huge, it's freedom fuel. That's what I call it: freedom fuel. It's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building options before you need them. You don't need a massive startup. You just need a system that works. Something that makes $10, then $100, then $1,000. Think of it like this: the economy rewards movement, not perfection. If you wait until everything is perfect, someone else will already be there, selling, learning, and improving. Start small. Sell one product, offer one service, post just one video. Small steps build momentum. Momentum compounds. And that's how small business owners quietly become financially untouchable. Economically, this is bigger than just you. When people start side businesses, they just don't help themselves, they fuel local economies. They create demand for freelancers, suppliers, designers, even delivery drivers. Entrepreneurs, even the small ones, are shock absorbers of the economy. When big corporations cut jobs, it's small businesses that keep communities alive. So when you start something small, you're not just earning extra money, you're protecting yourself and playing a role in keeping the economy stable. Everyone blames inflation, but inflation is like gravity, it's always there. You can't stop it, but you can learn to move faster than it. That means building something that grows while prices rise. A small business, a side hustle, a skill that you can monetize. Because your paycheck is fixed, but your potential income isn't. And the only people thriving in this economy are the ones who took control, even in the small ways. When I started my first project, I didn't know what I was doing. But here's what I learned: momentum beats money every single time. Start small, don't overthink it. Sell something, build something, teach something. Even if it makes $50, that $50 is proof that you can earn outside the system. Because in this economy, waiting for the world to change is the fastest way to fall behind. But building something, even if it's small, is the fastest way to change your own world. So what's your small start going to be? Subscribe if you want more videos like this. We talk business, growth, and building your own freedom from the ground up. Thanks for watching.